Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. Today, I'm getting into my Boxy Premium. Yeah. So anyway, I don't know how much it weighs. I don't know what variation it is. I never get into it until right when I'm recording. So, hope you guys having a great day or day of your choice. I'm having a fantastic day so far. I'm so excited to get this box pretty early. Let's open it up together, shall we? Boxycharm Premium! That was like happy birthday to you. Anyway, oh my god, it's written so tiny. And it's Flourish. Flourish is the theme for the box this month, and it is a beautiful card, and it says that this is number C2105313 PM on my card if you're interested in that kind of thing. And I'm very excited about the things in this box because I have things in here that I have not tried and I've been wanting to try. I'm so excited. And when we unwrap it, it looks like this. I'm going to start off with this, and it is Serum Kind Black Blossom Hand Serum. Ooh, I would love a hand serum because I'm always about keeping my hands moisturized so we don't look ancient before our time. And let's see, it says that this is a hand serum. Oh, and let me get my calculator out because we like to keep track of how much the value of the box is. And it says that it's a hand serum, perfect for the intensive care of skin barriers, infused with the healing effects of Black Blossom Serum. MSRP $27. That must be pretty nice hand serum, and it's got a little seal on it. So let's pop the seal. I'm gonna check it out. I've had a hand lotion, hand cream, body butter, but not a serum before. I'm gonna put that down. I don't want to like put my eye out. Well, I've got glasses on, but you know what I mean. Okay. We've popped the seal. Little froggy. And it's in a beautiful tin kind of metal tube. And it is sealed on the end. I'm going to get some of it out. I'm going to break the seal because I'm fascinated to see what this is like. Just putting a tiny little bit on my hand. Ooh, it feels like a serum. And there's cats scratching at the doors because I'm keeping them out. Shh. They hate it. But anyway, it makes it look nice and shiny. It's got kind of a floral scent to it. Kind of woodsy, kind of Asian. Very cool. That is the first thing from my Boxycharm Premium this month. And this is a $35 a month box. Next up, I have from Bite Beauty, which is a fantastic company. It is Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon. And this is a clean, high-performance matte lipstick for creamy, bold color that can keep up with you. And it is $26. Let's take a gander and see what color it is. Ooh, I love that color. It is a gorgeous red. I'm not going to swatch it right now because I don't know if I'm going to keep it, but it is a beautiful, beautiful color. And Bite makes some fantastic products. Easy for me to put that back together. And then next from Rodeo Beauty Dragon Split Eye Masks, and I have some Rodeo Beauty from a glossy box. special edition glossy box. And this stuff is amazing. And this is the Dragon's Blood Eye Mask Trio. These innovative gels masks combine biocellulose, I'm just making up words, technology with Dragon's Blood Complex to intensely hydrate and delicate eye area with an immediate deep puffing effect. The cooling effect leaves skin feeling refreshed, while arnica extract helps reduce the appearance of bags and puffiness or for an instantly brighter appearance. And this is $18. 18 doll hairs. Then we have, and I did choose this, and this is exciting because it is from Too Faced and my friend Jeannie. She loves this, and this is the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Eyeshadow. This innovative 2-in-1 whipped liquid eyeshadow formula delivers rich, intense chocolate-scented matte color and skin-eccentric cocoa tones that can be worn alone or for an airbrush finish or a pigment primer that locks down for 24 hours of crease-proof, waterproof wear, $21. And let's check out the color that I chose. And now I've got my little jobby job, and I wear a mask all the time. I don't always wear a full face of makeup. Oh, look at that packaging. It is beautiful. But I am interested. I have been wearing some, like, liquid eyeshadows. Oh, that's beautiful. That's a beautiful color. That would look great just on its own, for sure, on my eye. I'm very excited about that. And I know from my friends like Jeannie that it is a very good product. And let's see how it blends out. It blends out really nicely. And I can see how it would be a great base for other colors. But I would wear it on its own with just a little liner and a little mascara. Little mascara. That's all I need. Just a little mascara, a little chapstick. That's all I like to wear. And then we have from La Ruche. Scaramouche, Scaramouche, can you do the fandango? And this is the On the Go set from La Ruche Beauty. Get ready to cover all the basics with this 3-piece set that comes with dense domed brushes for foundation or contour or powder, or for highlighter or blush, and a small dense angled brush for eyeliner or eyebrows. And this is $96. Wow, that's insane. These must be super fancy to be $96. Let's take a peek-a-loo. All right, so this would be the foundation contour brush. I mean, I've got some fancy brushes, but this is more expensive than some of my rougher brushes. It feels nice and dense. And then there's the highlight blush brush, and then there's the little angled brush. We'll check it out. We'll see how I like it. But $96, it should be real fucking nice. As far as I'm concerned. And then last but not least, this is one of the things I'm most excited for. This is from Haus Labs. It is an eyeshadow palette. I've been wanting to try a Haus Labs eyeshadow palette, and this is the one that I wanted to try, and it just so happened to be in premium this month. It's got beautiful packaging. Because I love me some Gaga, and I haven't really tried much Haus Labs stuff. So I'm interested in trying a beautiful beveled plastic case, and it's called the Glam Room #1. And these colors are so up my alley. I can make a beautiful look with this. Beautiful. Let's swatch a couple. These dusty purples. Ooh, they swatch pretty good. I'm excited. So let's read about it. Let's read about it together, shall we? Haus Laboratories Glam Room Palette #1. Fame. Fame. ba, 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 ba. Some David Bowie for you. Unlock your fame in this new palette with 10 matte, metallic, shimmer, and sparkle finishes made to perform on every skin tone. This universal eyeshadow palette gives you the power to play up every persona. Silky smooth blendable shades range from warm pale peach and rose gold to cool plums and deep black for an ensemble of colors ready to envelop you in a new identity each time you want to reinvent yourself. That's a lot of promise for an eyeshadow palette, and it is $34. So that brings the value of the box to $222. And what did we get? We got this great eyeshadow palette from House Labs. We got some expensive fancy brushes. We got a hand serum, which is very exciting. We got the liquid eyeshadow from Too Faced. We got the Rhodial eye patches. And we got the Bite Lip crayon, which is very beautiful. And this is totally a good box this month. It's totally worth the $35. You know, that palette alone paid for the box, and everything else is gravy. And I'm really happy about this box this month. I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing with me. I will see you real soon, and have a great day.